Good morning. Today we will study Geography, Chapter 1, Our Earth and the Solar System. People have always looked at the sky with curiosity. During day we see sun and at night we see stars. It is worth wondering why does a star twinkles, why does size of moon changes, or why are we unable to see sun at night. In this chapter we are going to find answer to these questions. All objects like star, planet, satellite, comet, asteroid, meteors in the sky is called celestial or heavenly bodies, and these are collectively known as universe. Here in the picture you can see galaxies. The universe. The universe is vast and limitless. It is also called space. Many astronomers think that the universe started with a very big explosion called Big Bang about 13.7 billion years ago. Our universe has a large number of galaxies. A galaxy is a group of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. The sun and the stars form our galaxy. This galaxy is called Milky Way or Akashganga. Here you can see Big Bang picture. Stars. Stars are huge heavenly bodies made up of gases. They emit their own heat and light. They twinkle at night. They look small because they are far from us. The sun is also a star. It looks big because it is closer to us. The other star nearest to Earth is Proxima Centauri. The distance in space is measured in light year. A light year is the distance traveled by a light in 1 year. The distance of Proxima Centauri from Earth is 4.25 light year. Clouds of dust and gases in space form a star. These clouds are called nebula. Here in the picture you can see. Here, when we see or when we look at the sky, we find different groups of star forming pattern. These group of star forming different pattern are called constellation. A group of 7 stars called Saptarishi or small bear is one such constellation. It forms the part of Ursa Major or Great Bear constellation. Some of constellation is Ursa Minor, Scorpio, Leo, Cyprus. The brightest star in the north is Pole Star. It is also called North Star. Its position is fixed in the sky. The first two stars of Saptarishi points to the pole star. They are called pointer star. Here in the picture you can see some of the constellation. The solar system. The sun, the eighth planet with their satellite and some other heavenly bodies like asteroid, meteors and comet form the solar system. The sun is at the center of solar system. The sun. The sun is the largest member of solar system. All the planets, satellite, asteroid, comet revolve around it. It is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth. It produces lot of heat and light which is necessary for all form of life on Earth. The surface temperature of sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. all the planet and their satellite signs because they reflect sunlight. Here in the picture you can see the solar system. The planet. The planets are celestial body that do not have their own heat and light. They are spherical in shape. They revolve around the sun in distinct path called orbit. Most of them revolve from west to east. They also rotate on their axis. There are 8 planets in our solar system. According to distance from Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Scientists have categorized planet into two categories. First, the inner planet like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are close to Sun. They are also known as terrestrial planet. Outer planet. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are made up of gases and are known as gas giant. Earth is an special planet due to appropriate distance from sun. It has moderate temperature that makes life possible on earth. The presence of water also support life on earth. Earth looks blue due to presence of water, hence it is known as blue planet. Due to moderate temperature, water is available in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Earth is surrounded by blanket of air called atmosphere. It has gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. The air on earth is rich in oxygen. The atmosphere protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from sun. The atmosphere also trap heat of the earth and stop the heat from escaping into outer space. It keeps our planet warm and suitable for living being. Earth is not perfect circle. It is bulging at equator and flattened at poles. This is due to rotation of earth on its axis. Here in the picture you can see bulging picture of earth. Other planet, Mercury. It is the closest planet to sun. It has no moon. During the day its temperature is 427 degrees Celsius and at night it is minus 183 degrees Celsius. It takes 88 days to complete revolution around the sun. It is named after mythical Roman god Mercury. Venus. It is the brightest and hottest planet of solar system. It is named after Roman goddess of love and beauty. Its size is similar to that of Earth, so it is called Earth twins. Like Mercury, it too does not have any moon. Mars. It is the planet next to Earth. It is named after Roman god of war. It is also known as red planet because of presence of iron oxide on its surface. Its rotates its rotation is similar to that of Earth. Mars has two moons, Pluto and Deimos. Jupiter. It is the largest planet of solar system. A large part of it is made up of gaseous material. It is named after Roman god Jupiter. It has 66 known moons revolving around it, hence it is known as mini solar system. Saturn. It is the most beautiful planet. It has bright ring round its equator. These rings are made up of icy particles, dust and gases. It has 62 known moons. Uranus. It is seventh planet from Sun. It is named after Greek god of sky. Like Saturn, it also has ring around it. It has 27 moon nodes. A large part is made up of ice, hence known as icy giant Neptune. It is eighth planet and farthest from Sun, named after mythical Roman god of sea. It is 70 times the mass of Earth and have 13 known moons. The satellite. The satellite are celestial or heavenly bodies that revolves around the planet. The satellite rotates on their own axis. The satellite moves around the planet from west to east. Mercury, Venus are the only planet that do not have any satellite. They do not have their own light. They shine because they reflect the light of sun. Here you can see earth and the moon. The moon. The moon is the only natural satellite of our planet Earth. It is about 384,400 kilometers away from Earth. It does not have its own light and reflect the light of sun. The moon appears to increase and decrease in size. This is called phases of moon. The lunar calendar is based on phases of moon. The phases are caused due to moon revolution around earth. The moon takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete one revolution. The visual shape of moon changes from night to night. When the moon travels from new moon to full moon phase, it is called waxing of moon, and the moon journey from full moon to new moon phase, it is called waning of moon. Actually, the moon is constantly half bright and half dark, but the angle of view from the earth keeps on changing. When the dark hemisphere of the moon faces the earth, we call it as new moon night or Amavasya. When the bright hemisphere of moon faces us, we call it full moon night or Purnima. Sometimes when moon comes between the sun and the earth, it casts the shadow on earth. This is called an eclipse. When it covers the sun completely, a total solar eclipse occurs. It becomes dark at daytime. When earth comes between sun and the moon, a lunar eclipse occurs. There is no air and water on moon, hence no life exists. The moon is very hot at day 120 degrees Celsius and very cold at night 120 degree at night minus 120 degree at night. On July 21st, 1969, two American astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, landed on moon. Here in the picture you can see phases of moon. and other side is lunar eclipse. Asteroid. Asteroids are a small planet-like heavenly bodies formed in solar system. They are large pieces of rock floating in the space. Most of them are located between Mars and Jupiter. This area of space is known as asteroid belt. They are also known as planetoid or minor planet. Scientists believe that asteroid rebroken part of planet. Here in the picture you can see asteroid picture. Meteors. At night sometimes we see some bright spark of light moving across the sky with great speed. They are called meteors. They are also known as shooting star. Meteors Meteors are small pieces of rock like many heavenly bodies. They also revolve around the sun. They can only be seen when they enter Earth's atmosphere. Most of them burn up and become gases. Some of them does not burn up and reaches Earth's surface. They are called meteoroids. When they hit Earth's surface, they create depression called crater. Some of the craters can be seen at Ramgarh, Rajasthan and Arizona in USA. The crater of Arizona, USA is the largest one. Scientists study meteoroids to know about our solar system. Most of them have large amount of iron. Here you can see picture of crater. Comet are celestial body made up of snow and rocky dust. They revolve round the sun in their own orbit. When comet reaches near the sun, they develop a long tail that start glowing. Their tail are 1,000 of kilometer long. The most famous Henry comet can be seen once in every 76 years. It was last seen in 1986. Here is picture of comet. Thank you. Hope you like this chapter.